I still really want these in my size. What's good, guys? It's your girl Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. I was able to get something super special for my husband's birthday. I'm happy to share that I was able to actually pick up this pair for retail. It is the JJJJound New Balance collaboration. Specifically, this is the 990. So these released on, I'm just gonna say JJJJound. I know it's like JJJJound, JJJJJound. I'm just gonna call JJJJound. I was able to pick up this pair from the JJJJound website. Super exciting. I did try to get my size as well, but I think because I went for Justin's size first, that I definitely was not able to purchase my 5.5. For those of you who are new to the sneaker game, smaller and larger sizes of sneakers are typically made in less units. So there's less quantity to go around. Your average male shoe size, which is roughly an 8.5 or a 9, that actually is the one kind of shoe size that sees the most volume in terms of quantity. So an example might be that the 8.5 comes in 10,000 units, the 9 comes in 10,000 units, but then my 5 and 5.5 only comes for about 1,000 units. It does make it that much harder to actually get the smaller sizes, and ultimately that much harder for me to be a woman's sneakerhead. I can't even say that I've had too many New Balances. The only ones that I've really had and also got for retail are the Bodega collaboration ones. So I was that much more excited when I was able to pick up these special sneakers for Justin. Back to the unboxing. We'll start off with the box. This is a plain white box. It is a little bit more on the hard stock side, so it is quality. You got your Made in America New Balance hit on the side, as well as New Balance logo on the top. You have JJJJound logos on both sides of the shoe box, as well as your shoe size sticker tag and another New Balance logo. Let's unbox this. Inside you have Made in the USA tissue paper, classic New Balance. And then here we go. We have the green of the 990 New Balance JJJJound collaboration. Love that this came with both hang tags that are definitely going to be cut off, but one for New Balance, one for JJJJound. I love that the New Balance tag actually talks a little bit about Made in USA, manufacturing. Very nice to see that New Balance does add that. Keep in mind that New Balance is an American company. They manufacture and make everything here in the US. I think that is one of the only major retailers that is domestically based. Going a little bit into the sneaker, you have the New Balance hit on the side. It comes almost like a plastic material, so definitely wear and tear will last a lot longer. The upper is complete of suede and it looks almost like a nylon texture on the vamp. Love this premium suede. I mean, the panels on this are super nice, and I think the nylon underlay is also a great component. You do have what looks like perforated maybe leather on the upper. I just feel like that little hit of the different colored green gives the upper just such a nice cohesive look. You do have a little bit of that yellow, tan, beige, whatever you want to call it. Let's call it the aged midsole. And it contrasts very well against the white sole. The outsole is black. Again, I think the cohesiveness of these colors, you know, the green with the gray and then that yellow and then a white and black, it just feels very cohesive, and I think that's why the sneaker does a lot better than one would potentially assume. Sad to see that they weren't laced. Don't know what that's about. It does come with a pair of green laces, very true to the other colors seen, but likely because this is a cotton lace, it is slightly different from the suede upper. God, I just cannot get over how premium this suede feels. Oh look, and actually it does come with a white shoelace. I personally choose that white shoelace. I think it adds nice contrast to the upper. Again, I also love to do mismatched shoelaces, so that is something you would definitely see on my feet. But for Justin, he's likely gonna just go with one color. On the back heel, you have this little New Balance reflective hit, and I just love this. It does feel like it's like a plastic, and it just like adds, I think, a nice way to add the two logos in the very back heel. You have the JJJJound, of course, on the very top, and Ooh, you can actually see this little piece from the pattern sticking out. I wonder, it does seem like it was on purpose, so. You actually have a metallic hit of the 990 logo on the back heel. The tongue also features a nylon upper against that New Balance logo at the very top. I do love this kind of like waffle texture. It feels really premium and overall just kind of adds to the wholeness of the shoe. On the insole, you get the JJJJound logo. Ooh, I actually really like this. On the vamp, there's actually a small hit of metallic silver. It does seem like it has the reflective properties, so very excited to see how that photographs. Overall, on the back hit of the shoe, you actually see that there's little perforations, holes on the back heel, and I absolutely love that. I feel like it adds to the texture. It goes really well next to the nylon texture. You got your eyelets on the side, nothing too special about that. Overall, just loving this sneaker and can't wait to get Justin on foot. He actually thought about just reselling these and I told him absolutely no way. These feel very similar to his style. He is really into kind of like just having your wardrobe essentials. He doesn't really like logos too much. If it's a small hit, that's fine, and that's why I think that this collaboration is perfect for the husband. All I'm saying is get yourself a wife who gets you these sneakers for retail. No JJJJound branding on the outsole by any means, which is honestly pretty expected just because New Balance likely uses this outsole for almost all of their 990 shoes. Typically on collaborations, you'll see a lot of the upper change. You know that the company made a wildly big investment if you do see any changes on the sole or outsole. And that's it for this unboxing. Just wanted to do a quick review of these shoes. Overall, I think they feel very premium. I'm still so upset that I was not able to pick them up for myself in my size. If you don't already know, I'm pretty much retail or die. Almost all of my sneakers are all bought from retail, including my off-white UNC Jordan 1s. It's a rare find to find someone that only buys shoes for retail, but we'll take it. Thanks so much for tuning into this unboxing. Be sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Just Sold Out. I'll see you guys in the next one.